camera, and action. Circus de Soleil Cusa. Apparently there's a circus here in Santa Monica that I didn't know of. But we have the bike signal there. Santa Monica bike trail. Here at the beach, there's people partying there next to the lifeguard, but apparently the show's been over for today. I'm gonna see what more I could find. I'm onto the Santa Monica Pier with all this pigeon activity. It's crazy out here, but nonetheless, it looks really cool. I really like it. The whole, ocean pier type of vibe. I feel like the lady from Home Alone. So the pictures flying all over me. Ooh, let me get that one right there. Boom. One for like a little screenshot right there. The show is over, but definitely one of the bike paths that people always usually take. And we have another well. Really cool. I wonder who does this drawings. But so many pigeons out here, it's insane. Probably because it's warm, they like to sit down here and have a good time, maybe. Well, as we get under the Santa Monica Pier. And there's the Santa Monica Pier right in front of me. I'm gonna go down that pier. Park's closed, but the pier still open to the public. So we're gonna take advantage of it. Well, just look at the beach and chill for a little bit, right? Look at the waves. There are two ships over there, far away. No biggie. There you go. The ocean, like always, in the Pacific, looks extremely wild. Huge waves, by the way. Definitely a surfer will go in there with no problem. Look at that. Look at the nice colors the thing displays. You have the other house in the back. There's a kicker right there. Look at big ass waves. Oh my god. Those are huge waves. Oh my goodness. Come on, Vince. Oh, those are huge. And the ocean is really pissed or aggressive. No joke. I wouldn't want to be down there. Got some kind of hypothermia. Let's see what else we can find in the area. And yes, we're in Route 66. That looks good for a picture right there. Oh. Right. Oh, damn. Oh my god, such a force. More waves. Ah, it stopped already. Computer shop's already closed up, so not much to see now. Funs and games. This is the best part of the Santa Monica Pier, in my opinion. You've seen those waves hitting down the pier, freaking rocks, the shaking boots out of me. So intense, so much power. There you go, one section for you.
Great! How to play? It's great! Come on, play!
A lot of arcades out here. I'm gonna play with my buddies right there in that area.
Let's go for some fun fishing. Good luck.
Take a picture. Got the little cat and mouse right there. Oh, heck yeah. That's my style. Choo-choo train. And a little cat right there too. Tom and Jerry. So, it's a cool spot. Now we have the empty parking lot and more of the theme park here. Alright, let's keep moving. Ooh. This is when I wanted something secluded. All little restaurants here. There a long time. It's nice all closed up. The horse ride's gone. They're just closed for the night. But it's still a good night. Let's head back to the main road. See what else we can find. This is nice. Ocean. Ocean deep. Whales. cool. Small little aquarium out here.